Hello students, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to study about the control of heart rate. Now see, cardiovascular center, which is present in medulla of hindbrain, will get the impulse from two receptors. One is baroreceptor, another is chemoreceptor. Baroreceptor will monitor the blood pressure and chemoreceptor will monitor the blood pH and the concentration of the carbon dioxide. After getting the impulse from these receptors, the cardiovascular center will send the impulse to the heart through two nerves. One is sympathetic nerve, which will increase the heartbeat, cardiac output will increase. Another is parasympathetic nervous system, nerve that is vagus nerve, to decrease the cardiac output. So both the nerves, one is working to increase, another is working to decrease. So we'll say they are antagonistic to each other. Clear? Now let us understand where are the baroreceptors are present and where are chemoreceptors present. See, understand this diagram carefully. It will be helpful for you. Please try to focus. See, this is aortic arch. You can see this is aortic arch and this is your carotid arteries. Clear, beta? This is your common carotid arteries. This one you can get an idea. Please try to focus the board. You'll get an idea. This is your common carotid arteries. Clear? Common carotid arteries. And these common carotid arteries, here they are making a carotid sinus. Clear? And then it is going external carotid arteries. Clear? Both side external carotid arteries. See, understand the diagram. And inside is internal carotid arteries. So two types of the carotid arteries you can see, external and internal. Now in the aortic arch, you are finding receptors are present. Even in the carotid arteries, you will find receptors are present. Clear? Understood this diagram? Now see, understand carefully, beta. Both receptors, baroreceptors and chemoreceptors, they are present in the aortic arch and they are present in carotid arteries, but they are not at the same place. If you see in the aortic arch, you are finding aortic chemoreceptor is up. Check carefully the diagram, and aortic baroreceptor is little down. It's just to, I'm speaking up and down, it does not mean up and down. It's just to make you learn. Understand the diagram very carefully, please. This is your carotid baroreceptors and here are your carotid chemoreceptors. They are present in the carotid arteries but not exactly in the same place. Little bit they are here and there, you can understand. I hope so you are getting me. Now baroreceptors, they are pressure sensitive areas. They are located in the aorta, aortic arch, and they are located in the internal carotid arteries. Is it clear? They send impulse to cardiovascular center to regulate the blood pressure. Is it clear? So when the blood pressure is high in the arteries, heartbeat has to slow down. It has to slow down. So impulse is sent by medulla through vagus nerve. We studied right now vagus nerve work is to slow down. And if these baroreceptors, they identify pressure is low, then what they will do? Through sympathetic nervous system, heart rate will be increased. Understood, beta? Now come to the chemoreceptors, which are present again in the carotid arteries and they are present in the aorta. Their work is to monitor pH level and carbon dioxide level. If carbon dioxide is increasing, it means pH is decreasing. Why I'm saying pH is decreasing? Because proton concentration is increasing. If carbon dioxide is high, proton concentration is also high. It means pH is decreased. So chemoreceptor will give the signal. Okay, these receptors will give the signal to the heart to beat fast to remove these carbon dioxide and protons. So by increasing the blood flow, carbon dioxide will be moved more quickly to the lungs where it is removed by diffusion into the alveolar space. Clear? We have already studied right now that sympathetic will increase the cardiac output and parasympathetic will decrease the cardiac output. Now, sympathetic nerves will help in the release of neurotransmitter norepinephrine to increase heart rate. Is it clear? Now, parasympathetic will release neurotransmitter that is acetylcholine. Please, acetylcholine. This neurotransmitter is norepinephrine to increase, acetylcholine is to decrease the heartbeat. So, which signal is coming? SA node will modify its rate either to slow down the cardiac output or to increase the heart rate, means cardiac output. Is it clear? I hope so. This video might be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.